Hey everybody, this is Heidi Gusted with a knitting tutorial for you. In this video, we are going to tackle how to knit the Farrow rib stitch. So right here in this pink swatch, we have several rows of the Farrow rib stitch. And so to work this stitch, we start by casting on a multiple of 3 stitches plus 1. For demonstration's sake, that means I've done 3 times 2, which is 6 stitches, plus 1 extra for a total of 7 cast on stitches. This easy stitch only requires 2 rows to repeat, and the first row is a right side row. So we're going to start out with a knit 2. And then we repeat purl 1 and knit 2. So there's purl 1 and knit 2. And we keep repeating that until we reach the last 2 stitches, which end with a purl 1 and a knit 1. Easy enough. Now we turn to the wrong side for row 2. And row 2 is purl 1, knit 2. And we just keep repeating purl 1, knit 2 until we get to the last stitch. So we purl 1, knit 2 again, and then we come to that last stitch and work a purl 1. And then if you just keep repeating rows 1 and 2 until you've reached your desired length, your fabric that you are knitting will look something like this. And that is the Farrow rib stitch. We hope you enjoyed this knitting video tutorial. If you have any comments or questions for us, go ahead and let us know in the comments, and don't forget to tune in soon for even more video tutorials.